Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Today we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at BESTEK. You can check them out. Link will be down below. And you can get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. And they'll send this out to you in no time. Let's see what we got here. Brick. Here we go. Let's see, do I need anything in the box? Oh, pretty simple. We got cube. Is this a smart one? I think this is a normal. Sweet. Alright. So we got good old BESTEK. Links will be down below. This is their power converter. Always good to have extra one of these around since the holidays coming up for your Christmas trees and all that good stuff. And your extra accessories for your game rooms. So this will be definitely a good one to get. Oh jeez, body slammed. Here we go. We got the 2 USBs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, this is definitely a nice one to have. You got the hooks in the back in case you want to mount it somewhere. Take this off right here. And a second, there we go. That one off. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Check out this power cord. Definitely be gonna be using this one now. Replace my other one. Got the protector right there. I got the Velcro, so I could adjust it. BESTEK. Really cool stuff. I'm gonna plug it in. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, YouTubers, look at this thing go. I got one plugged in right now, but there's 8 sockets you could choose from. Really nice, easy to start up. And look at this, 4 USBs. That is cool. Not too many have 4 of them. Usually it's like 2 or 1. This thing has 4 USBs, and I got 3 of them hooked up right now. Got my mini PS and what else do I have? Oh, that's my cell phone charge, quick charge, and then my other for my motion lights that I charge up. And I'm using the that camera right there to charge that, so that's working perfectly. So this is definitely a nice one to have. Add it to your cart, check it out, and they'll ship this out to you quick. So you got 8 plugs and 4 USBs. Nice one too. Not sure they have any other colors, but to me it don't matter. I'm not picky about the color, so it's all good. So thank you guys at BESTEK, and YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. Have a good night. Be safe.